Speak louder. I'm sorry, you're not going to get on film if you don't speak louder.
Hello, I'm a puppy, and as you can see, my cosplay. My 3 characters that I'm cosplaying other than this one. I plan on cosplaying Finny next year, and I also cosplay, I'm going to be cosplaying Vincent soon, hopefully, from Vampire Doll.
Alright, so, as Rin, how is your blue flame coming along?
Controlling it.
Well, I haven't heard anyone to get underwear so far.
Again.
So, I'm going to say pretty good. I have been practicing.
So I'm going to interrupt you really quickly. Viewers, hi, we're in the anime club.
Yeah, so...
Alright, continue.
So, if you randomly hear screaming and shouting over there, that's what it is.
I swear I'm not killing anyone.
Yeah. They don't mind weird names.
Alright, so continue.
Well, yeah, I've gotten to where I can just burn the candles and not burn them down completely.
Alright. Says America, do you ever wish you could undo the Revolutionary War?
Which gave you your freedom. From England's terrible cooking.
Oh, shut up.
I hit you with that pipe.
I wish I could redo the Revolutionary War where it wouldn't hurt me emotionally.
Aww. Alright, so is Vincent, what's your favorite cake?
Your favorite cake?
Yes, your favorite cake.
All your cakes are good, my lord. I can't choose just one.
You have to pick one. Yes. And you have to speak louder or else you're not getting on film. Here, let me just... It's a little better, but you still have to speak loud.
My favorite cake. I honestly have no idea what my favorite cake is.
Well, according to the manga, it's Mont Blanc. Would you agree?
Is it chocolate?
No.
Then yes.
Alright, Mont Blanc.
Okay, I'm gonna move up.
For those of you interested, it's a vanilla cake with spaghetti frosting.
So marinara sauce?
No. Like, the icing looks like spaghetti. It's just white icing, but it looks like spaghetti. Alright, I had another question for, I had a question for Rin, but I just forgot it. Someone else go.
What do you think of catnip wine? Catnip wine? As Rin?
As Rin.
That's right.
Honestly, I can't really understand why cats like catnip. But
What
I
about
guess,
catnip wine?
Well, the wine is pretty good, but no, honestly, I can't understand why cats like catnip.
Alright, I know you didn't mention this cosplay, but I kind of know you're going to cosplay it. So, Hawkeye. With Roy. How do you feel about that? Just, I've got to know. As Hawkeye, how do you feel about Roy?
As Hawkeye,
Yes.
he is a very, well, I don't want to say he's obnoxious, because he's not that obnoxious. He's not as obnoxious as Ed. Somebody go get her.
Yeah, okay, while someone grabs one of our members,
Wait, I'm not done
continue.
answering your question. But he is very, well, he's Roy. He's very overbearing over people. And I feel awkward talking about Roy, in front of Roy, so...
It's okay, I won't murder you.
See what I mean? Overbearing.
I'm only using you as a stepping stone to become the further.
See, like that.
Okay, okay. I see now. Alright,
And
As
you're very
America,
full of yourself too, Roy.
okay, as America, who is your closest relation as far as country goes, do you think? Oh, out of Japan, England, and Canada.
Canada's my brother. So of course I really love him. In a brotherly way, no homo.
I've read so many fanfics that could disown that statement.
Okay, anyways.
America is currently puking.
Shut up. Well, I'm probably because of your cooking, England.
Ah!
Just kidding.
Anyways, continue.
Japan, he's a pretty nice dude and all, but honestly he's all awkward with like the sensing of the emotions and everything, so yeah. And then England,
Oh, it hurts.
No comment.
no, I'm not doing it as like no comment. I just don't know how to describe my feelings for him. In front of him.
Cover England's ears.
Alright, my ears are covered.
Well,
She can still watch it. Here.
anyways, I really love him. He's more like an older brother, but I love him in a kind of homo way. But
You could have told me to cover my child's ears.
it's just homo. Homosexual. Like kisses, pecks, hugs, that kind of thing.
You could have just still.
Gay is sex. I don't
Are you
know.
done yet?
Honey, gay does not entitle sex.
Yeah, really.
It entitles a male's feelings for another male.
Are you done yet?
Or yowner. Just use yow.
That is a very fangirlish term.
Yo, America,
Yes,
are you done yet?
Yes.
Now I should mention I can read lips.
Damn it, England.
Alright, any more questions for our poor,
Any questions for her?
deflated?
Any question from her? And her.
What do you think about Russia? If you say something bad, I hit you with lead pipe.
As America.
As America.
That was the feeling. That was the
Screwed if I
feeling.
say anything about you, Russia. I'm just screwed.
Ah.
Alright. Anyone from this one?
As America, how do you feel about me,
Can't scoot off camera. The camera follows you. Camera follows you.
I'll stab you later.
No!
I think this is the end of her the interview.
Yeah, I think so. No, wait, she's coming back.
Never mind.
Face colors together.
Alright, so, any more questions?
Any other questions?
Wait, I know. You're not in a wax doll as Vincent, but you're a bat, which means you don't like sun. Does that confuse you at all, or is that just me?
Well, I typically have sunglasses that protect my eyes, but it does sometimes irritate my skin. So.
Alright.
And I usually am in a long, huge cape. So.
Ooh, I've got one for Sion. No, you won't.
Another
That
guest
was,
appearance.
that was my wonderful English teacher there. Okay.
art teacher.
Yeah, and he teaches a lot of things. Anyways, that was the legendary Mr. Shamblin.
Mr. Shamblin.
Yes. No nicknames there. Not on film. Anyways, a question for Sion. You're the newest member, but people call you a Mary Sue. How do you feel about that? Do you agree? Do you not agree? Do you, you know?
In all honesty, I did kind of randomly appear in 365 Days of Two, so I can understand their feelings about me being Mary Sue.
And now you have to speak louder again?
But I really don't think I am, because one, I'm not all that perfect. I have faults, just like Roxas does.
Oh, pairing.
Thank you, Gabe.
I had a good one, but I just forgot what the first cosplay you mentioned was. Finny, right, Finny.
Finny.
What are your favorite flowers as Finny?
I like daisies, sunflowers, lilies, roses. What are you doing?
Undertaker is obsessing over sunflowers.
And girl wants to hit Undertaker.
I'm better than you. Anyways, continuing your interview.
I love all kinds of flowers, but
It's
my most
a game.
favorite flower would have
Don't worry,
to
if
be
they try and fuck
the forget-me-not.
All right. So I think that's it. If it's not, it's been 10 minutes.
Girl, stop ranting.
So say bye.